Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another Dusty episode. Today I've decided to make a docking station. For that, I'm going to use a piece of teak. I already drew out all my things that I need to do on it, and let's get started. The first thing that what I'm going to do is it's going to have two phone holders and like a small place in front for all the extra change and small things that you need. I'm also going to put a dowel rod into it for my rings that I make. So let's get started. The first thing that what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a 12 millimeter hole for my piece of dowel rod. Now I'm just going to change my bit to a 13 millimeter for my two charging cables. This one needs to go straight through. My camera fell. Seeing that that's done, I will see you at my other workbench where we're going to start with the router. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to route out my bucket and my two phone holders with my router. So let's get a bit dirty. Okay, so now that the first part is done, I can go on to my two cell phone holes. that my 2 slots is cut, I think I'm going to make my bucket a bit deeper. And now that I've come this far, all that I need to do now is just cut out the piece that I'm going to use, and then it's time to get dusty. So I'll see you guys in a moment. Okay guys, so I didn't film while I was cutting my piece, but to show you how it looks for now, this is going to be my front side. It has a bit of character. So all that I'm going to do now is I'm going to burn it a bit on the sides and maybe a bit on the top, just to give it a bit more character and just to make it look a bit nicer than what it is. Just going to use a scratchy thing just to get all that stuff out on the inside. Now I'm just going to give the top a small tan. Now that all that is done, all that's left to do is to get dusty. Yeah guys, all that I did now, just quick, I just used a steel brush just to clean off the inside a bit. And now it's time to get dusty. If sand down with 120 grit, and then if I need to go higher, I will just do it by hand. Okay, I'm going to need to go a bit higher. So I'm going to use 400 grit just to do my sides to get all the fluff away and just to make it nice and smooth. Going over with the 400 grit, I don't need to do much sanding. It's basically just get the fluff away and to get it nice and smooth. It is going to go a bit quick. And now that it's fully done, all I have to do is put in my dowel rod, which I also have here. And now all that's left is to give it a seal. Okay guys, just to seal it off, I'm just going to use a spray clear coat. And there you have it. It is done. All I need to wait now for is just dry, and believe I might give it 2 more coats. Okay guys, here is the finished project. It's all sealed up and it's ready to be used. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And then I will see you in the next Dusty episode.